The next award goes to the team with the best design. The best design. All right. So the criteria for best design that the judges used was how well did you follow the design thinking principles? Did you cut corners? Like, did you skip user testing? Do you have an incomplete prototype? How well designed is the product? Color schemes, unified design. How much was the user experience taken into account? So it's easy to use and intuitive. So the winner of the Best Design Award goes to Team Saucy Inc. Saucy Inc., congratulations. Wonderful. Congratulations. You guys won the Best Design. So tell us, did you do any design before this year in the past? What was your design experience?
I did not do any design before.
For me, like, before I went into GoA, I thought it was gonna be completely like bad at design. I did not know how to do a single piece of design at all. But yeah, I'm really proud of where we came. And yeah, like, I didn't know that I was gonna be like decently like good at design, but just winning this trophy was like, it's pretty good. It gives me some confidence.
Wonderful.
I mean, do you count the other mini projects we did earlier in the season?
Yeah.
Well, that was leading up to this, right? That was learning. So the question was before joining this year's program.
Oh no, I did not do any design at all. I was mainly like interested in the coding part. I just did not think about design at all.
Yeah.
But yeah, I had no former design experience at all.
Okay, wonderful. Well, you guys did well. So you won. Again, we're going to get these engraved with your names, and then we'll arrange for pickup. Congratulations again, and we'll talk to you soon.